let me know, okay? And I will speak louder, okay?
All right.
Is this okay to speak? I'm not trying to yell at you. Is this okay, voice?
Yeah.
All right. Yesterday, when we left, when the Honorable Judge Whitaker stopped for the day, I was asking you whether you remember being in Judge Lando's chambers with the District Attorney Hilton, your lawyer, Ms. Bumpus.
And thank you also, Jen, for the gifted membership. Super nice of you.
Judge Glanville. Do you remember that?
Oh,
Okay.
he asked about the
And
judge.
do you remember there being at times other people there, including a court reporter named Ms. Weaver,
Yes.
as well as some security? When I say security, members of the Fulton County Sheriff's Department. You were in custody. You remember that?
It looked like the SWAT team was out there.
Okay. And you were wearing a jail uniform,
Yes.
and were you in any type of restraints? You know what I mean by restraints?
Handcuff.
Okay. And you already said, yes, I'm not trying to repeat anything, but just to clarify what I'm talking about, I wasn't there, and no, Mr. Williams, Jeffrey Williams wasn't there, and no other people who were charged in this case or their lawyers were there. Is that all true?
It was just me and them.
Okay, not, so it's correct that nobody else, other than the people we mentioned.
It was the state and Kayla and the judge.
Okay. Now, during that time, some of the conversation you had with the District Attorney Hilton was not in front of the court reporter. Is that true?
Say that again?
Okay. The court reporter, at times, you saw her working and taking down information, the words, presumably, right?
Yes.
But were there other times that the court reporter was not present, taking down what was said between you, your lawyer, Ms. Bumpkins, and District Attorney Hilton?
Yes.
Okay. And you've seen a transcript of that June 10th, 2024 meeting with the judge and District Attorney Hilton, you and your lawyer, right?
What you mean?
Oh, okay. The words by the court reporter coming out on a white piece of paper with the words on it.
Oh, I seen it, but I didn't read it. I don't know.
Okay, that's fine. My question to you is this. During the time that you were speaking with your lawyer, District Attorney Hilton, the three of you, no court reporter, did District Attorney Hilton tell you that if you testified that you were involved with the Donovan Thomas murder, you would be locked up or arrested?
You can ask me that again?
Yes, sir. When you, your lawyer, Ms. Bumpkins, and District Attorney Hilton were speaking, the three of you, just the three of you, did District Attorney Hilton tell you that you would be arrested, locked up, whatever the words are, if you testified to this jury that you had anything to do with Donovan Thomas's murder?
Yes.
Okay. Did District Attorney Hilton tell you, with you, Ms. Bumpkins, and District Attorney Hilton, no one else, that if you invoked your Fifth Amendment right, meaning I'm not testifying, you would be locked up or jailed?
Yes.
Other than those two things, did District Attorney Hilton tell you you could testify to anything you want or something to that effect, and you would not be locked up? Just tell the jury. Just think about it. Just
I don't know what you just said.
That's my, I'm sorry. That was a bad question. That's me. Thank you for telling me that I was inartful, is my word. Okay. Other than those two issues you just told, I'm going to get locked up if I invoke the Fifth Amendment. I'm going to get locked up if I testify that I'm involved in Donovan Thomas's murder. Other than those two. So if you don't say those two things, then your use immunity kicks in and you would not be locked up for anything else you testified to. Is that how you understood it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, did you ever ask District Attorney Hilton, why can't I testify if I'm sworn to tell the truth about being involved in Donovan Thomas's murder? Did you ask her why did she exclude that?
What you mean?
did you ever ask any question to District Attorney Hilton? Let me ask it a different way. Did you
It
tell?
wasn't no question. We was talking,
Okay,
and we were going back and forth.
and that's what she said.
Objection, vague.
That's fine. That's fine, Your Honor.
Sustained.
All right, let me ask you some questions.